Blogging mistake number 9. Keyword stuffing. Are you still trying to stuff your target keywords into your articles as often as possible in order to reach a specific keyword density? Hello. 1999 called, and bloggers want their internet marketing keyword stuffing tactics back. Pardon the silly cliché expression, but it's the truth. Keyword stuffing hasn't worked in a very long time, and worst case scenario, it could get you penalized by the big Google. It's not necessary anymore, anyway. Google has gotten a lot more advanced, and you do not even need to target specific keywords the same way. Google can actually figure out synonyms with pretty good accuracy, so if you write an article titled, "How to build a rowboat," Google can figure out that a search for, "how to make a rowboat" probably means the same thing. So you do not have to stuff both keywords into your content. As long as you're using the standard lingo you'd need to use to create a great article on a particular topic, you will be all good. Honestly, keyword research is still important, but Google focuses on other areas a lot more now. We hope you enjoyed this video. The next video we will talk about blogging mistake number 10. But, before you go and watch the next video, click the link below this video, so you can download your free guide and niche website now. Have yourself a great day.